In this video, we're going over must-have accessories for the Samsung Galaxy A20. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to go over some must-have accessories for the Samsung Galaxy A20, and make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video because you're going to have a chance to win one of these cool accessories by following the instructions at the very end of the video. So make sure you watch all the way until the end. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The first must-have accessory is going to be this awesome 10,000 milliamp portable battery power bank charger. So this is a really cool accessory to have for days when you're going to be out for long periods of time and not have access to power, maybe going to an amusement park or to out of town trip, and you want to make sure that you have some backup power with you. This is a 10,000 milliamp portable battery pack. It is one of the smallest ones on the market, very easy to throw in your pocket or in a backpack, and to make sure that you always have power for your phone. Our second must-have accessory is going to be this really cool portable keyboard and stand combination. This is a pocket-sized keyboard that comes with a cool little stand here. So basically, we can set our phone up either like this or like this. And with this keyboard, it just opens up just like this. And you have a full-size keyboard in your pocket at all times, which I actually use this for work all the time because it just makes sense to have this with me. Super easy to pair. You literally just swipe down, hold down on the Bluetooth button to get to your Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth, and hold down on the keyboard for about 3 seconds until the light blinks. You're gonna wait for it to show up in this menu, tap on Bluetooth, and that fast you are paired. And guess what? You can now use this in any app that you need to type. So I love to use it for just shooting out quick messages. Again, it is a full size keyboard, so typing is really easy on it. And when you're done, close it up, stick it in your pocket, keep on moving. So obviously it's great to have this with you for those that do work on the go. And it's always nice to have a little portable stand. For those of you that love to watch movies, this is going to come in handy on those lunch breaks or those trips when you're just out and about. So that is the portable keyboard. All these products, I will have a link for them in the description below. So if you do want to look into them further and possibly purchase one, just go into the description of the video and you'll find all the links down there. Moving on to our next must-have accessory is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now these are sort of their version of the AirPods. Comes with a charging case, very small design, syncs great with Samsung phones obviously because it is made from Samsung. And pop those in there, go for a run, make a call. You have some cool controls here over your music as well. And these are just a great accessory to have with your A20. Fits really nice and neat in your pocket. All right, our next must-have accessory is going to be another Samsung product. It's going to be their Samsung Galaxy Fit. Now this is their version of a Fitbit. Very inexpensive, but syncs great with, again, the A20. When you go to the settings and you go to the Samsung folder, it will sync right up with the Samsung Health app and the Galaxy Wearable app as well. And this will help you to keep track of your steps and heart rate and water intake and all those other really cool health related facts. And again, whenever you kind of stay in the same ecosystem, which is, you know, Samsung phone, Samsung Watch, Samsung earbuds, everything works better together because it's the same brand. They're all made in tandem. So great accessory to look into right here. And our next one is going to be the Sony XB10 boom speaker. Now, if you're just looking for just some better sound to go with your A20, you want to listen to your music and really get that good bass, This is a great portable little speaker, very reasonably priced, and it packs a really strong punch. I couldn't find a Samsung that was in this same price tier, under 50 bucks, so I went with this one. This is one I own personally, and I love it, and I think it would really go great with your A20 as well. So this does come in 6 or 7 different colors too, so definitely great for accessorizing with colorful cases and things like that. And our final must-have accessory is going to be this really cool charging cable, Type-C cable that is lit up on both ends. So great for if you're in a dark room and your cable falls on the ground, you'll be able to see the tips really easy. Really cool design. It does support fast charging as well, and it'll go great for those of you that are looking for just some alternatives to the basic solid color charging cables. So definitely check that out. All right, and for our last must-have accessory is going to be the Moco tablet / phone stand. Now, you'll notice when we showed off the portable keyboard, this is the same stand that comes with that keyboard. Now, maybe you say, I don't really want the keyboard, I'd rather just have the stand. Well, you can actually purchase the stand separately. Fits right in your pocket really easy, and again, it just pops out, and you've got multiple positions you can set it up in to get the desired angle that you want. Now, I did mention at the very beginning of the video that we would be doing a giveaway if you watched all the way to the end. Well, guess what? You are here at the end, and we are going to hook up 3 viewers with one of these stands, and here are the requirements. Here's how you enter. First, watch the video from beginning to end. Check, you're here, you've done that. The second thing you're gonna have to do is like the video. Click that like button. And the third thing is just leave a comment. Let us know what accessory you like the best and which one you might consider buying. That's it. In 7 days from the day we post this video, we're gonna come back. We're gonna pick 3 winners. We're going to leave a comment. We're gonna pin the comment to the top of the comment section so you can see if you won, and that's it. Boom. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.